What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a plug. On the screen you can see a socket which is extended by an extension line, and this is the extension line. The end of it you can see two wires, and I'm going to put a new 2-pin plug into that. So this is a new 2-pin plug. For repairing it you need a screwdriver and a white tape. Now first of all, there's a screw you can see in the middle. Just take it off. After removing the screw, just pull the 2 pins forward. And here you can see 4 screws. So these 2 screws actually holds the lines with the body of the 2-pin plug tightly. And then with the 2 ends of the wire, just put it inside the plug's back side. And now one end of the wire just put inside the pin. There is a hole. Inside the hole just push it inside and just tighten up with the screws. You can see what I'm doing in here. So exactly you need to do the way I'm doing. When tightened up, then the end of the wire of the extension line just tightly attach it with the plug's another end. Now after attaching the wire, just pull it back to the plug's body and put the screw of the middle one again. Now officially the line is ready to use, but if the extension lines you still see some of the areas out of the 2-pin plug, just put the white tape with it. So it will keep you safe and sound from any electric shock if the line has any leakage. Just wrap it properly. It is actually an easy way to replace or just built in a new plug. And now I'm going to put it in the socket of the main line. So you can see the red light is on. So this is the extension one. And now this is the socket of the extension line. I'm going to switch on. See the indicator light? It's on. Switch off. Light is off. That means the electricity is coming without any problem into this extension socket. Once again I'm going to try. Make sure there is no problem. Switched on, light is on, indicator. Switch off, light is off. So there is no problem at all. Thank you very much for watching the video. Keep it subscribed and keep watching. Thank you, take care, and it's goodbye.